Security services define the services which guide policies for information security within an organization. These services comprise of confidentiality. Confidentiality is roughly equivalent to privacy. However, the two words are not interchangeable. Rather, confidentiality is a component of privacy that implements to protect our data from unauthorized viewers. Measures are taken to prevent sensitive information from reaching to wrong people while making sure that the right people are able to access the information. For example, banks must ensure the confidentiality of an account number or a routing number when banking online. To implement this, user IDs and passwords constitute a standard procedure. Recently, two-factor authentication is becoming the norm. Integrity means maintaining and assuring the accuracy, completeness, and consistency of data over its entire life cycle. This means that data should not be modified in an unauthorized or undetected manner. These measures include file permissions and user access controls. Version control may be used to prevent erroneous changes, and in fact, in some of the most sophisticated and advanced systems like SAP ERP, you cannot change anything without leaving an audit trail. Changes in data could occur as a result of non-human caused events like electromagnetic pulse or a server crash. Data sometimes includes checksums or cryptographic checksums for the verification of integrity. Backups or redundancies must be available to restore the affected data to its correct state. In law, non-repudiation implies one's intention to fulfill their obligations to a contract. It also implies that one party of a transaction cannot deny having received a transaction, nor can the other party deny having sent a transaction. Even in the case of technology, the concept is at its core a legal concept. For instance, the whole concept of digital signature is based on this concept. It is sufficient to show that the message matches a digital signature signed with the sender's private key, and thus only sender could have sent the message. However, the Alice sender could in turn claim that the digital signature algorithm is vulnerable and flawed, or allege or prove that his signing key has been compromised. Such assertions may or may not relieve the sender of liability, but the assertion would invalidate the claim that the signature necessarily proves authenticity and integrity. Hence, this service affects the organization's policies from this regard. For any information system to serve its purpose, the information residing in it should be available when needed. Availability is best ensured by rigorously maintaining all hardware, performing hardware repairs immediately when needed, and maintaining a correctly functioning operating system which is free of software conflicts. It is also important to keep current with all necessary system upgrades. There should be security controls to protect the hardware and communication channels used to access the information. Availability is often viewed as one of the most important parts of successful information security program. Ultimately, end users need to be able to perform job functions. This can involve topics like proxy configurations, outside web access, ability to access shared drives, and ability to send emails. Availability needs collaboration between various systems and teams like network operations team, development operations, incident response team, and change management team. A phrase which is often used in today's world is that data is the new oil. These security services help in protecting this new world oil, which is data, which lies at the heart of all these security services.